Welcome to HM Digital's official video on how to use the PH80. We will go through what is included, how to take measurements, and how to calibrate. The product comprises the PH80 meter itself, along with 3 accessories of 120 ml pH7 buffer solution, 1 ml storage solution packet, and a user's guide. First, remove the cap. Press the power button. The screen will briefly display pH. Once the pH sign changes to a number or 3 dashes, the meter is ready for measurement. Dip the meter sensor into the water, liquid, or solution to be tested. Gently swirl the meter to remove air bubbles and electrical charges. The meter will display a reading almost instantly. Keep the meter in the water until the reading stabilizes. To view the reading outside of the liquid, press the hold button. This will freeze the reading on the screen. Pressing hold again will release the reading value. Press the power button to turn off the meter. Shake off any excess water from the meter and rinse it with low TDS water. Put the cap back on. The temperature reading is always displayed on the LCD panel simultaneously with pH readings. The default temperature mode is Celsius. To change the temperature mode, quickly press the Temp Cal button to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Proper calibration of the PH80 is essential for accuracy and optimal performance. The meter comes factory calibrated to pH7 for your initial convenience. When calibrating, choose a level that matches what you will be testing or is within the middle of your expected pH range. Calibrating the PH80 once a month is recommended. The PH80 features an auto-calibration function for pH 4, 7, or 10 buffer solutions. For 2-point calibration, you must calibrate with pH 7 first. Here's how to calibrate your PH80. Turn on the meter and insert a pH buffer solution of 4, 7, or 10. If the meter displays the correct reading, calibration is complete. You can stop here. If the reading is not accurate, press and hold the Cal button for 10 seconds. The display will start flashing, and the temperature reading will change to a flashing Cal icon. Use the up or down buttons to select your desired calibration level. The displayed measurement will change, and a small icon will indicate the selected value. Once the displayed number matches the buffer solution's value, press Enter. The Cal icon will flash. Allow 5 to 60 seconds for calibration. During this time, avoid pressing any buttons, and if possible, keep the meter still. When calibration is complete, the END message will flash briefly, and the measurement will reappear on the screen. By following these steps, your PH80 meter will be accurately calibrated and ready for precise pH measurements. If you need to calibrate the PH80's thermometer, only calibrate it to a different, correct thermometer. With the meter on and in the air, press and hold the power and temp buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. Cal and the temperature will flash on the screen. Using the up or down buttons, adjust to the correct temperature. Once you have corrected the temperature, click Enter. Cal will flash on the screen, and then End will briefly appear. The temperature calibration is now complete. Crystalline or salt residue may develop around the sensor during prolonged periods of meter inactivity. This is a common occurrence. It is just dried up potassium chloride storage solution that needs to be replenished. Open the 1 ml packet of storage solution and add the solution to the sponge in the silicone sensor cap, so the sponge becomes saturated in pH storage solution. Additionally, place the meter in tap water and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes to dissolve any residues on the sensor surface and reactivate the sensor. Recalibration after the procedure is highly recommended. When the meter displays a flashing battery symbol, it indicates that your batteries are becoming weak and should be replaced soon. The meter uses 3 LR44 button cells. To change the batteries, pull out the orange battery compartment. Remove the 3 existing batteries. Insert new batteries following the direction shown inside the compartment. Remember, the flat side of the battery is the positive side. Close the battery compartment securely, ensuring it is tightly closed. During unstable measurements, an alert icon might appear on the screen. This icon will disappear once the measurements stabilize. However, if the alert icon continues to be displayed, it could indicate a potential issue, such as sensor damage or aging. Thank you for choosing HM Digital. We trust our instruction video was informative and valuable to you. For any additional questions, please contact us at hmdigital.com.